Hey guys, welcome back to the episode of Nessa's World. So I am doing a box swap with my sister and she actually sent the first box. So I'm going to the post office right now to go and pick it up. And I'm just so super excited and I just can't wait to pull the box and see what's inside. And I'm actually so nervous and excited at the same time, and I want you guys to come on that journey with me. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be epic. And guys, please, tell me what I should put in the box, in my box when I send it to her, in the comments below, because I am still thinking what in Jamaica I should actually send to England. Like food, yeah, I know food like butter and cheese, but she said she don't want no butter and cheese because she have that there. I know Lasco and those stuff, but what other surprises or fun stuff that I can put in the box so that she can enjoy it. So before all of that though, guys, go on over to her channel, go and watch her pack the box. And matter of fact, it's not even box, it's boxes, because when she went to the post office told her she had to put it into 4 boxes. So instead of me receiving 1 box, I'm receiving 4 boxes. So go on over and check that video out, go subscribe to her channel, go like it, go comment, do one bag of something, you understand? So come on this journey with me and let me know what you think about it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, you comment down below that you did all of that so that you can get a shout out on my next video. Nessa's World. Hello. Packages for V-La-Nessa.
I didn't send the other 2 as far as so some of them right up those.
Oh. So me have to pay for them the one there?
Oh. You know God's are on your side.
If me I send boxes, right? But bigger than that. Probably like the 2 of this. Much 50 cent now.
Whatever we
Like on the average.
Look here.
England.
England?
Mm-hmm.
All England price go for Paris, yeah? 800 the first pound.
260 each additional.
260? Not that bad.
So 800 for first pound and any additional pound? 260.
And then when they get to there, I have to pay for it. Well, no, I don't think so. Alright, so I'm going to send 1 box soon. Me and my sister exchange, you know?
Yeah.
It's like a YouTube, so. I hope you can see it. Hope you guys can see everything. Alright, so these boxes are fragile on it. This box. So I think I'm gonna open this last. But it depends on the number, right? So I guess I have to open everything and see. But yeah, that's basically it for now. So I'm just gonna open the box now, give you my reaction of everything. Favorite snack food. Stale. What's my favorite snack? this one is staying. This one not about, but this is my favorite English snack. So this is not for me. This mark Rowan. I don't know if you can see it. Rowan. So that's warm up. This one is for Randon. Okay, so this is box number 7. So I can't open this one yet. So I have to line them out. This is box number 7. Cuticles. I think this is for one of my little cousins. To Latoya. This is because you deserve it. Open last. So this is the last one. The last one. Last one. So open last. Nice dot. Happy birthday. So I guess this is for my 2020 birthday. Or maybe it's my 2019 birthday that she missed. And this is the 9th. This is number 9. So I have to open this like that. So that's done. Into the big box. The big box. So I have more. Yeah, it's not first. 2 more. And the funniest thing is that these are all in Christmas gift. And Christmas gone already, right? But yeah, that's for someone else. My name is not on that one. To my biggest sister. Is my head big? To my biggest sister, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love, Crystal. And this is number 11. Wait, there's so much. So that goes here. Lotion. And that's that. So many gifts. I need a Christmas tree for this. But let me eat my stale snack. Let's go through this one. What's up? What's a box without some snacks, right? That's that. Oh, my favorite. all see this in a black person's house, just know that this is full with needle and thread, silver, comb, elastic bands, you know, hair clips, and all those stuff. No cookie, but guess what? I got two, and there's cookie here. This said 10. Alright, so this is number 8. Admire my wrapping skills when you are out of wrapping paper. So, oh. Yep, she was out of paper. And that's how wrapping. I still don't know what's inside there, so that's good. That's very good. Oh. You see this? Do you see this? This looks like a cologne now. But this is number 8. This is number 3. And she was definitely out of paper. This is waffle. This is number 6, but I guess I already know what's inside of it, or maybe not. But this says chocolate, right? But there's no chocolate in there, so this is number 6. This is just our disguise, a box in disguise, number 6. Now, if you guys can feel this, look at this. This is all chocolate, and the chocolate milk. Could even put this to the fridge, like look, it's like jelly. Jelly. This is going in the fridge. Snacks. All done that. Finally, one more box. One more crumbled waffle. And this is a new snack to try. This is a new one also. It's vegan. So I guess she's trying to tell me to eat healthy. So this is 40% less fat, no added sugar, gluten free, and it's vegan. Just that spoiler surprise. This is number 4. This is not for me. This is number 2. Number 12. I don't know. Oh, this look like, okay, so basically Customs got these, right? And if you realize they're all open, so they're mostly open from this box. So it looks like Custom went through it and opened it and trying to see if they're going to charge me for something. Because if you realize all of this is all open. So this is number 8, this is number 12. See? All open, Custom open them. So this is the first one to open. See, all of them are open. Customs open. This is number 5. And this one is not so melted after all. And these nice small pot soap. So I'm just gonna align them now and then pull them one by one. How do I sound? I can't believe that custom actually pulled all of these stuff. I can't believe it. They pull, like if you look at this one, open, because they want to see what's in there. They literally pull it open. But let's put them all together in the order I should pull it, and then I'll let you guys watch me.